Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. Today we're protecting this Camaro SS1LE and we're using paint protection film. Paint protection film happens to be one of the best ways to guard your car, truck, motorcycle, boat, or RV from rock chips and minor damages and scrapes and bumps and bruises. When you're deciding which panels to protect with paint protection film, simply walk around your vehicle and gather the areas that are susceptible to direct blows, not only from in front of your car, but from your own tires as well, meaning the front bumper here, and with the bumper, the kit includes the headlights and any driving lights, and also maybe mirrors or A-pillars or even the hood. Also, things flying up from your own tires from the roadway, your lower rocker panels and lower doors. And that's what's going to be protected here on this Camaro. Some decide to protect more than we show here in the video, including fenders or doors, and some go even further, wrapping the whole vehicle. You can also combine this package with a ceramic coating or Polysilazane coating, as we do here at our shop. Here at Apex Detail, we do not force a certain package on a customer. We let them customize their own. There are many ways to protect your vehicle, bumper to bumper. At 8 mils thick, our film has a warranty of 12 years, has a warranty on yellowing, cracking, crow's feet, any issues with the film. It also has a top layer or top coat layer that is similar to a ceramic coating and also has a self-healing layer as well. With that said, the Camaro is complete. If you're looking for the ultimate protection for your prized possession, get in contact with Apex Auto Detail, Wernersville, Pennsylvania. We are waiting for your instructions. This has been Brian from Apex Detail. Myself and the crew wish you a good day. We'll catch you in the next video.